Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a prime real estate opportunity in St. James, Jamaica. Seize this incredible investment opportunity of approximately 0.73 acres with this highly desirable and easily accessible property, perfectly situated at lots 1A and 1B in the sought after Park Avenue in St. James, just 10 minutes from Sangster's International Airport and Montego Bay's cruise port. This property offers unparalleled convenience to the Montego Bay Town Center, the world famous Doctor's Cave Beach, premier golf courses, shopping, gyms, cultural attractions, hospitals, and all essential amenities. This unique estate includes one house and two townhouses, featuring a total of 10 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms. It also boasts multiple kitchens, spacious living and dining areas, laundry rooms, and so much more. Whether you are looking for a refurbishment project or a prime residential development opportunity, this gem is a must see. Call your preferred real estate professional today to schedule a viewing and submit your best offer. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 800,000, Jamaican 126.2 million, Canadian 1.14 million, or 621.7 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.